What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. You see, I got the trunk up, finna drive L-Train. It's a beautiful day, man. It feels great. It's 63 degrees. Why not? It's 2 days straight. I know I said I was gonna put it on punishment, but I think he didn't learn the lesson, man. I put him on punishment for a couple weeks.
Could you try again?
Nah, we ain't trying nothing. Hold on, let me turn this. We ain't trying nothing here. But so I think we're good to go. So y'all know in the previous vlog, I told y'all I got a part I got to show y'all. I got to give y'all the update on Meech, what was going on with the engine. Normally, the engine would have been back, but like I said, we ran into a problem. So I got to tell y'all what that was. Not nothing major. It's a problem I had, but it wasn't on me, and it wasn't on my engine guy. But anywho, I'm finna get the gas in here, and now I'm gonna have to get some more fuel, man. Like, that's literally my last 5 gallons of E, and I got maybe a gallon in here. So we gotta run to the parts store and pick up some carburetor kits. I got 3 carburetor kits I gotta pick up, cause I gotta load. I just got finished tearing down a 650 double pump, and I got a customer's road demon. I got to get out the cleaner to clean, and I got a 670 Street Avenger I have to do. That's gonna be for sale. And the 650 that I'm about to do, the double pump, is gonna be for sale as well. So you need a 650 Harley double pump. I'm gonna have one ready, and then I'm gonna have a 670 Street Avenger ready. Both pretty nice and clean carburetors too. So you need that, let me know. But we gonna get this fuel. This junk burn some fuel, man. Boy, gonna ride. And I was just seen it yesterday, but I took it off. I said, yeah, look a little low. I had it full, so I'm gonna put the remainder in here. And then when we go, they don't sell E85 in my area. So when I go to Summit, I always load up on E85. So now I need 30 gallons. So now it's worth it. So I'm gonna go take a trip, pour the rest of this in here, fill it up. I got 1 pair of race E85, some Renegade, but I'm not using that, of course. And you know, we gotta go get another part for this car, for the nitrous, and I'm gonna explain that. So this vlog, all right, BCG fam, look, we got the carburetor kits. Got old L-Train out here. Drove it to the parts store. I try to get a thumbnail, man. It's in half sunlight, half shade, so it ain't gonna look good. But man, I should have showed y'all the beauty of a good electric water pump. Cause y'all know how your temperature hand climb. Man, I got a story for my Facebook, but let me see, it might do it. Got the water pump on now. Watch this. Y'all see it? Look at the hand move. The beauty of a good electric water pump. It was up here. You know, the temp run up anyway, you know, when you cut it off. That's on any car. Had went up to like 205. I turned that water pump on. Knocked that joker all the way down to like 180, 182, somewhere up in there. So, and it's 60 something today, so you know, thing here doing good now. Like I had to puke, I guess. Y'all had to clear his stomach. So y'all stay tuned. We're finna head on back. Okay, BCG fam. So look, I just got back. Now, y'all see where it climbed to. That the fans on. Now why did when I turn the water pump on, it's still climbing. You know, wasn't running hot though. I mean, when I pulled up, it was like 195, but it's still climbing. So check it out. Water pump on. That Mazir water pump is a beast, man. That 55 gallon per minute, the big one, the big boy, that's a beast. That water pump only. I mean, that water pump only on. And you turn the fans on, it just get even better. And when I get the Raleigh fans on here, man, it's gonna be so no better. I'm just gonna have to do the two individuals. I just want to show y'all that, man. That water pump is a boy. Hey, Mazir electric water pump, it's a must. You know, you have to, you know, you come up, certain people tell you certain stuff. I'm just speaking on people in general. They be like, you can't run that on a street car, this and that. You just gotta know which one to get. Mazir not cheap. They're not a cheap water pump. They got different ones, and same thing with fuel pumps. You know, certain electric fuel pumps, they say, hey, you can't run on the street. You can, you just gotta spend the money for them. If you want ones that don't overheat, the ones that don't overheat, and you know where it's gonna burn the pump up and stuff, you just gotta spend the money, man. So, but y'all saw that Mazir, that's one benefit of electric water pump. It's pros and cons to both. You know, the flow rate of a manual water pump is better at higher RPMs. You know, as you accelerate. The thing about electric water pump, they just gonna do what they gonna do all the time. So, let me get Wifey pulled back up and Big Merc pulled up, and we're gonna check back in. All right, BCG fam, we checking in. So I ain't get a chance to show y'all the carburetor right now because I gotta let the battery charge. Man, I need to go ahead and put the belt on that thing because that's what I keep battling. As the carburetor said pop, I had it fired up. I was dialing in. It said pop. I said, well, by itself, just idle. I said, well, out of power, the battery dead too, and that'll cause your car to run real bad. In case people did not know that, cause your car to run extremely bad. So to get into the gist of this video, cause like I said, I'm running low on time, man. We finna have to get ready to take off here in a few. I'm trying to let this thing get a little charge, so at least fired up. I got it right where I want it, and then I just leave it on the car, and somebody want to buy it, you know, I can't handle that till I get back anyway. But so with meat, y'all know we're getting a new combo built, right? And I'm gonna get into the problem, what will happen. But first, I know what some of y'all been waiting for. So we're gonna discuss, man. I'm gonna go ahead and reveal to y'all what time this car went in the quarter, and it's on the radio. At the time, this was right after I had bust my rear end out of pieces, if y'all remember that. And I had downsized the gear. At the time, I was running the 373 gear. It was on motor, and I think I ran nothing but motor that day. Yeah, I think I didn't run. I ain't even used no nitrous. It was just all motor because I was like, we had just busted rear end, and we were just running on motor. It actually had 93 octane in the car. I remember now, because we switched the first time I ran the car on 24s too, which is at Silver Dollar Motorsport parts. So All right, so y'all just saw the pass, man. That was the first time I went down through the quarter and the only time. Haven't ran the car in a quarter again. I'm finna put the ticket on the screen right now. So as y'all can see, the car went a 652 to the 8th and went a 1030 to the quarter, almost 29. So that's what it went. It went a 1030 on motor, 93 octane with the old setup. And I will admit the car did get faster from that time going forward. I didn't even run that time no more. The car got faster in the 8 on motor, so I know, of course, it got faster in the quarter. So I predict, man, it probably, well, not no probably, ain't no probably. Based on what I started running 8th of mile times, when I got the car faster and even better, it probably would have went, and I keep saying probably, it was pretty much was going 10-2s, 10-1s in the quarter on motor. So that's what it was doing, man. It's a bad car. I mean, that's a good run to be on 93 octane, man, and motor, and a full weight car at that besides the hood. Cause y'all know meat still factory interior. I have literally nothing else taken off this car except the cowl hood. And I wouldn't have a cowl hood on it if I didn't need it. It's just that I have to have it. So, man, you know, the whole purpose is I'm about to start, like I said, doing things different, man, being more transparent. It's not enough of us in the field, and I say us like big rim guys and, you know, people. I'm into the G bodies and non-traditional hot rods as well too. Box is a bigger car. It ain't enough of us like showing the time and showing what these products do. I'm telling y'all, hey, go grab this and that, and y'all can see the difference, but you don't know exactly how much of a difference and stuff, man. You know, it's a lot of people want to learn, but getting so caught up in grudge racing and no time racing, it really throw you off sometimes, man. Like, that's all I know it came from, so that's all I wanted to do at first. But now it's like, I ain't really on that, man. I ain't really on that. You know, it's other ways to have fun, even run each other and be competitive and all that. So I have some stuff coming, man. But imagine that old setup did that. Like, imagine what the new setup gonna be, man. I mean, and it's for sure gonna make way more power than that first combo, man. So I'm for sure. And that's why I can't wait. I can't wait to like see what it do. But now the other part of this video, like to tell y'all what been going on. So the engine was getting disassembled, got down to the crankshaft, and the balancer, which, like I said, I didn't do it. My engine builder didn't do it. But the balancer, it's a long story. I'm gonna have to give y'all the backstory another time. The balancer was on, or maybe it was improperly sized to ATI, so it was seized on the crankshaft. And you know, I got a nice crankshaft in there, so him along with me not wanting to cut the snout of the crankshaft, which is a super last resort, been trying to get certain pullers and stuff, cause it broke 2 of his. He has some nice pullers. So he ordered like the hydraulic puller, broke it, just, So man, for 2 weeks, been trying to figure out this situation to save the crankshaft, but ultimately, y'all know what had happened, had to sort it out. So I can't stress the importance of sizing a damper properly, man, harmonic balance. Cause it's not just me, it's multiple people that ran into this problem, man. Some people get it off, and, you know, some people don't, as in my case. So the engine was entirely disassembled, but it was waiting on we were waiting to get the crankshaft out, which the crankshaft is out now. The block is getting the work done to it that needs to be done. Everything else new, so really ain't nothing to be done, and the block will be back next week, and engine assembly will begin next week. So I'm hoping within 2 weeks, y'all see an engine. Y'all see an engine over here within 2 weeks. And it won't be long after that, man. We're gonna have some fire in the hole, and then, you know, meats be back, and we'll be back on the track testing and all of that good stuff, man, you know, along with Airtrain. So we're really about to have some fun over here, man, because like I was telling y'all, you know, it's going to be a flood of vlogs, man. We're finna have some fun. So these two right here, man, we about to have some fun, cause y'all know we got a lot of upgrades coming for this, which I just got some more parts I ordered. So I got a vlog coming for y'all, another slew of parts for this car. So y'all gonna wanna see that too. But man, you know, like, I'm ready for that one though. I'm ready for that one, and I'm ready to hit that one with the nitro car. I know it's about to be a world of fun, man. So, with that being said, man, that's gonna wrap up the vlog. Drop the comments, let me know what y'all was thinking. Meeks was gonna run on quarter mile, what you had in your mind, what you think it did. And we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG.